Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're about to add Gmail to Mail. Start now by opening Settings and navigating to Mail, then Accounts. Once there, tap Add Account and choose Google. This uses a secure OAuth flow so you don't type credentials into third-party apps. When the Google sign-in window appears, enter your email and password, then complete any two-step verification if prompted. Make sure to allow the requested permissions so Mail can sync messages, contacts, and calendars. Those choices control what appears on your iPhone. Once you've signed in and granted permission, you'll see toggles for Mail, contacts, calendars, and notes. Turn on what you want to sync. Make sure to tap Save so the account is added to Accounts. Next, open Settings right arrow Mail to adjust fetch settings and mail days to sync if you want to limit storage. Choosing fewer days reduces local storage use. Also check Default Account to ensure new Mail uses your Gmail rather than iCloud, and give the app a minute to finish initial syncing. Finish by launching the Mail app and pulling down to refresh. You should see your Gmail inbox and labels populate. If messages or folders are missing, go back to Settings right arrow Accounts and ensure Mail is enabled, then force close Mail and reopen it. If syncing still fails, remove the account and add it again, and check your Google account security settings for blocked sign-ins or app passwords. For third-party clients, make sure a map is enabled in Gmail web settings so folders sync correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.